Hello students, I am Vikas. I am a chemistry faculty. In this lecture, I am going to discuss about Pinacol Pinacolone rearrangement. First, what is Pinacol? Pinacol is 1,2 diol. Then what is Pinacolone? The carbonyl compound obtained from the 1,2 diols is called Pinacolone. Then what is Pinacol Pinacolone rearrangement? Conversion of this 1,2 diols into carbonyl compounds in acidic medium is called Pinacol Pinacolone rearrangement. Let's see the definition. 1,2 diols converted to carbonyl compounds. This reaction is taking place in acidic medium. Let's see one example. CH3, I am taking one diol, CH3, OH, CH3, OH and CH3. On 1,2 adjacent carbons, 2 OH are there. So these compounds are called 1,2 diols. It is called Pinacol. In acidic medium, this is rearranging into Pinacolone, which is carbonyl compound. That is CH3, CH3, C double bond O, CH3. This is Pinacolone. What is the functional group in the Pinacolone? Ketone is the functional group. Okay, let's see the mechanism of the Pinacol Pinacolone rearrangement. Mechanism, if you see mechanism of the Pinacol Pinacolone rearrangement, first Pinacol is taken, CH3, CH3 OH, CH3 OH. In the first step, this OH group will undergo protonation. Here both are same side, same type. Any one of the OH group can undergo protonation. So on protonation, which will produce CH3. This is OH, and this is CH3, and this is OH2 plus. What is the purpose of acid we are using? Here this acid used is making poor leaving OH group into good leaving OH2 plus. So now this OH2 plus will leave the molecule as water, then it will produce carbocation. So in the second step, it is going to lose the water molecule and loss of water, what we will get? CH3, CH3, OH is as it is, and this CH3 and CH3, and this is carbocation. Now tell me, it is a tertiary carbocation, which is stabilized by the inductive effect, right? By shifting one methyl group from its adjacent position, this tertiary carbocation will get neutralized, and on this carbon secondary carbocation is generated. Why? Even we are having tertiary carbocation, we are shifting methyl group from its adjacent position. By shifting methyl group from its adjacent position to the tertiary carbocation, we are going to get secondary carbocation, but it is getting stabilized by resonance effect. So if you see the stability of carbocations, the carbocation stabilized by the resonance effect is more stable than inductive effect. So even though we are having tertiary carbocation, methyl shift is possible. We are getting secondary carbocation which is stabilized by the resonance effect. See, methyl shift will take place on carbocation, so which will give CH3, C plus CH3 and CH3. This is also CH3. Here OH is there. and this carbocation will stabilize by the resonance effect by lone pair of oxygen. So then it will give CH3, C double bond OH, and CH3, CH3, and this is CH3. This oxygen will carry positive charge. Now the final step, deprotonation, loss of H plus ion takes place and results a carbonyl compound, that is pencolone. So this is what mechanism of the penacol-penacalone rearrangement. Right? We'll see the applications of penacol-penacalone rearrangement by taking unsymmetrical 1,2 diols. We have seen the mechanism with symmetrical 1,2 diols. When you take unsymmetrical 1,2 diols, what will be the process? CH3 and OH, and CH3 and here pH, and it is OH. When this is subjected to protonation, what may be the expected product? Whether this OH is undergoing protonation or this OH. How to decide it? The OH which are converting into hydronium ion after loss of water, which is producing more stable carbocation, that OH is readily protonates. So if you see this OH, when this OH is protonated and followed by loss of water, this carbon is going to form carbocation, which is benzyl carbocation stabilized by resonance. And this OH and loss of water, second tertiary carbocation we are going to get, so which is less stable than benzyl carbocation. So this OH is readily participating protonation, and then carbocation will form at this carbon, and then methyl shift will take place, and this carbonyl group is generated. So product is CH3, C double bond O, CCH3, CH3, pH. This is with unsymmetrical 1,2 diol. Let's see another application of penacol-penacalone rearrangement. Another application, if you see CH3, pH, OH, C, pH, CH3, OH. It is again symmetrical 1,2 diol. It is again symmetrical 1,2 diol. And protonation, any one of the OH can undergo protonation. Any one of the OH can undergo protonation and converts into hydronium ion, and which on loss of water will form the carbocation. So on protonation we will get CH3, pH, C, pH, CH3. Let assume this is undergoing protonation and from hydronium ion, and this OH is same. Loss of water will result CH3, C, pH, OH remains same, C, pH, CH3, carbocation. Now carbocation is generated. In the next step, we are going to have the migration of group from the adjacent position. Again, you may get doubt. Here, one phenyl ring is there, one methyl group is there. Which is having more migrating power? Tell me. So here, pH is having, phenyl ring is having more migrating power. If you see the migrating aptitude for different groups, phenyl ring attached to the donating group is having more migrating power than normal phenyl ring, then phenyl ring with withdrawing group, then alkyl group. So here compared to alkyl group, phenyl ring is having more migrating power, readily gets migrate onto carbocation. So this will result CH3, COH plus C, pH, and CH3, CH3, and this is again pH. So finally this secondary carbocation will stabilize by resonance again, and it will produce CH3. From this you will get CH3 double bond OH plus and C pH, pH and CH3. The last step, deprotonation minus H plus ion from the OH will result CH3 C double bond O, C pH, CH3, and this is again pH. Pencolone is generated. So here you understood in this example migrating aptitude for different groups. Whenever different groups are present, which group is going to migrate onto the carbocation. Okay, let's see the stereochemistry of Penacol-Penacalone rearrangement. Stereochemistry of Penacol-Penacalone rearrangement. So stereochemistry involved. Stereochemistry involving Penacol-Penacalone rearrangement. You see, I am taking cyclohexanediol 1,2 cyclohexanediol. One example like this, CH3, and this is CH3. When it is protonated, what is the expected product? See, this OH and this methyl group are exactly opposite, and this CH3 and this OH also opposite each other, upside downside, opposite each other. So here we can say migrating group must be opposite to the leaving group. That is stereochemistry involved in the Penacol-Penacalone rearrangement. So you will get here, when this OH is protonated, here you will get the carbocation. For this carbocation, the methyl group present opposite will migrate to the carbocation, and this carbonyl group is generated. So final product you will get as carbonyl group is generated at this carbon, two methyls are coming at this position. So this is stereochemistry. Another example you can see in the stereochemistry case. This is another example I am taking. CH3 OH CH3. You can take here OH CH3. Any one of this OH group is undergoing protonation. So for this OH, what is the exact opposite position? This one, this one. For this OH, what is the exact opposite position? For this one, this is the opposite position. So as I told you, migrating group must be opposite. See, whenever this OH is undergoing protonation, so here this is the opposite group or carbon-carbon bond will break and ring contraction takes place. So here, whenever it is leaving from the substrate molecule, here ring contraction takes place. Carbocation is generated at this carbon, which is satisfied, which carbocation is stabilized by ring contraction. So 5-member ring is formed. 5-member ring is formed. At 5-member ring, another carbon is there, and one double bond O, CH3 group is formed. Right? At this position, we will also get. You just see one, give numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-member ring, and at first carbon, let's see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At first carbon, we also have methyl. So you can put here methyl. When this bond is break, first carbon also attached to C double bond O CH3. C double bond O CH3. So this is the expected product in the pinacol reaction involving stereochemistry. We can also have pinacol rearrangement with cyclic compounds. If one of the OH group is replaced by the Cl, that reaction is called semi-pinacol reaction. So that reaction is catalyzed by silver plus ions. If one of the OH is replaced by NH2 group, that reaction we call it as Demjanov rearrangement. So this is what about pinacol rearrangement. Okay, all these are the applications. Hope it is clear for everyone. So thank you.